Welcome onto the Kanen Coffee Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this Breville Infuser. We have replaced the gasket in the group head and it's got a new pump in it, so it is ready to pull a shot.
I'll take the part and put it on my back. Yeah, no, if I don't remember.
That's why all the whole cable. These pipes, you do yeah.
These are just some of our test beans, so don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like you would expect at home, but we're getting some nice crema on top. And there is your double shot. Let's make sure the steam one is also working the way we would expect.
Maybe open and close it. Yeah.
Well, you're saying that you don't have access to this?
Alright, got some nice steam coming in here now. This machine is all ready to go. Go ahead and check out our other videos, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything more. Thanks so much.